Hey, how's it going? It's Clinton Carroll here with Roaring Fork Sotheby's International Realty, and I am standing outside of 357 Crystal Lane. I'm really excited to give you all a tour of the property. Hopefully, we'll have good service coming in and out, but it might be a little bit. There's parts of the house where it's a little spotty on it, so bear with me here. So 357 Crystal Lane here is located in Carbondale, Colorado. It's listed at $1,375,000. It's just under 4,000 square feet. It's 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. It's 10 minutes from Carbondale and 10 minutes to Redstone. It's in a wonderful location and you're right on the river. So if you're interested in a river property, it's amazing. So let's over here, the entrance of the house. I'm gonna give it back up a little bit and we'll take a quick tour and walk through. So you have a 2-car garage. So here, let's walk through the entranceway and the entrance of the house. Now, one of the neat things is you feel like you're in your own little oasis here. So just around the corner, you have an outside shower. It's right over here. Just right over here, there's a gazebo. And the gazebo has power to it. We've had some folks using it. Thought about using it for a yoga studio, maybe turn it into a sauna. So a lot of different options and features. Over on this side of the property here, you can almost see is you have a lawn, nice big lawn area. Let's go inside. So the entrance to the property, nice big windows. We'll go upstairs and check those out. All right, let's go up and see the master. We get an idea with those windows now. So just to the south here on the other side of the property, you actually border Pekin County open space. So right now, nobody's going to be living there. You actually have access to your own access to the forest, so which is pretty amazing. Now we're entering the master. Nice, beautiful hardwood floors. You have a gas fireplace. Nice big windows. So just wanted to kind of give you all a look from the outside here. I mean, from the inside out, just because of the lack of Wi-Fi service here, but we do have some, which is great. So there's the lawn that I was talking about. So this enormous walk-in closet, all built in. And then you come into this gorgeous master bath. His and her sinks. This gorgeous tiled in shower. Yeah, let's walk around, check it out. water closet. Nice, beautiful tub. Looking out there into the parking, the 2-car garage. Just to give you an idea of the viewpoint. All right, so that was the master. This gives you an idea here. So we're back in the entrance to the house. Again, you are located right on the Crystal River. You have 280 feet of river frontage, which is amazing. It's all private there. You can do your own fishing. If you wanted to, you could load up and raft in. All right, so we're back in the entrance, and look at that, just beautiful green oasis. All right, so we walk out of the entrance. We have another bedroom here, so this would be the second bedroom. It does walk down. Let's see if we have any search in here. So that was bedroom number 2. Now let's go to bedroom number 3. So the great thing about this bedroom is, one, you have some of the most amazing views. This would be the, I guess, the guest suite. So you do have, oh, here we go. This is actually perfect. So let's back up a little bit. But here you can see the Crystal River. It's enormous Trex deck on the back, great for entertaining. I mean, it's just amazing property. You can see the river there. And then in this guest suite, you have a nice walk-in, built-in closet. So through that window up there, you actually can see the backside of Mount Sopus, which is really, really neat. It's a unique vantage point here. So let's check out this ensuite bathroom. Nice tub. So that was bedroom number 3. Go check out the kitchen. So the kitchen features nice wood cabinets, slab countertops, you know, nice large Viking fridge. This is a gourmet kitchen. You got a 6-burner range, double oven. Just a gorgeous kitchen. Now, let's see. So this goes out to the 2-car garage here. Then we have the 3rd bathroom, full bath. So again, it is 3 full baths. And let's see if we can head out this way. I think we're going to be a little iffy on service, but we're going to do it. We're going to do our best. So normally I go out the other way, but this with our service. So this would be on the north side house. Over there you have the river. You can just hear the sounds of the river. It's so awesome. A nice mature landscaping. And you are on a well and a septic system. So let's see if we can head out this way here. So here's a large living space here in the house. A bar area. Gorgeous wood floors, open windows. This big stone fireplace. So I'm kind of walking around in a circle here. Unfortunately, I can't go too far, but we're gonna make it an effort to get out there. So we're gonna come out here to the deck. The hot tub built in. There's the gazebo. Going back into the living space. But again, this is 357 Crystal Lane, located in Carbondale, Colorado. You're just under 4,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, on a septic well, just a little over 2 acres. Borders Pickens County open space, which is amazing. You have some unbelievable privacy here at the property. Mature landscaping. We didn't go see this part. This actually used to be the garage. It was converted to a TV room / office. And we have a mechanical room over there. The open house here at 357 Crystal Lane. It's listed at $1,375,000. And if you have any questions, it's listed by Sally Sheikman. She can be reached at 970-948-7530. And thank you so much for coming and watching, checking out the open house.